I would argue Laertes isn't necessarily a better version of Hamlet. I would say he is a more relatable, yeah. I might go with the slightly less polished word dumb. I don't think he's as smart as Hamlet, but I think he has a greater sense of his public role as a member of the aristocracy, as a upholder of traditions. He knows he has a role to play. He is, the gadabout town, lackadaisical son of Polonius, who just wants to go to Paris and have a party, up until the point that he learns that his sister is dead, in which case he comes back, and then he is the dutiful brother trying to avenge his sister's murder, and also, his father's murder, and then his sister's death as well. He's always playing that role. And I think the deathbed confession is arguably less important that it is sincere than just the fact that he does it publicly in front of everyone gathered around there, the dead and living alike. It lets him die with some assurance that perhaps he will be forgiven, although there's no priest there to give absolution. But it's what you're supposed to do.
He's going to kill Hamlet because he's going to stab him.
Yeah.
So what was the point? Like, what's the point of him saying that?
I don't know.